Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you how to make a coaster or a pot holder. This paper I make a template. This is 8.5 inches by 11. I'm gonna fold it in half. This is super easy, everyone can do. And then one side at the fold here, it's 1 inch. Mark right there. And if you have the curved one, if not, you can make description, or you can do the freehand starting round this area, come into here to draw the leaf. Freehand draw. Super easy, everyone. Here you're gonna leave it right there, that the round is right here, and then you go into the corner right here, just like a heart shape, but then I want it to be like this, go all the way down to here. Very simple. If not, you can start drawing from here, go all the way down. So everyone, after you're cutting this out, if you want to make as the pot holder, you keep everything the same like this. You don't need to mark the center. The center, when I mark, that only for you if you want to make the coaster. Center right here, that the center with a fold. I'm gonna go up to 2 inches. Just draw the line, and then on each side here I'm gonna mark 3/4 of an inch. So 3/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch, and then from here I'm gonna connect this. That the dark later on you will go on to sew. Here I use the fleece bathing for it, and it have one sandy side, that's the glue side, and then the one with the soft. So I cut out this one. It's already sandy on one side, and then the other side is very soft. You can use baby blanket if you want to. So now I'm gonna place the template back so I can mark the dark. I'm gonna use this Christmas one. To make it easier for you, you can go and iron on first. If you see this is how you want it, and then you go on the back here, on the main side of the fabric, then you can iron in here. You can turn the heat on high heat when you iron this. This is nighttime. I was so busy today. And by the time I look at the clock, I'm like, oh no. I just want to do this. And if you don't need to do for Christmas, you can do that for any time. You can use a different fabric for any holiday, or can be any day. It doesn't have to be holiday. Go and cut this out 1/4 of an inch or whatever. You have to leave a room here. It doesn't have to be exact 1/4 of an inch. It can be the square or oval shape, as long as you can see this, so you can sew around it. Doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Because later on when you sew, you just look at the white here, and then you sew around it. You don't want to sew on the white part because it's going to make it thick. You can see I don't have to be perfectly even. After this, I'm gonna go and cut another one for the back side. Now the back side can be anything you want. It can be solid color, it can be the whatever. So when I do that, this is the back side of the other fabric. If I have the back side, then I face back side and cut exactly the same side. Fold it in the center. I'm going to go and mark the side here. That way I'm going to sew. So this is the line that you're going to sew this. Okay, I'm gonna put on the side. I will show you how to sew this. Use this solid color, and it's just random thing that I have around here. So funny, the other day when I cut and then little thing like this are all over the place, and then later on I come down and it's nice and clean. So this is 9 inches by, I would say 2, yeah, 2 inches by 9 or 8, whatever size you want. I'm gonna fold it in half, and I'm going to, just like you do the hem, the strap, mark the center, and so I'm gonna go this side down, fold it, go all the way. I'm sorry everyone, it's nighttime and I try to finish to because tomorrow we have to make some food for donation. So the top line and the bottom line, and then I'll show you what to do. Let's go on the sewing machine so I can show you more up there so you can see better. Now you can see this. We're going to sew that by folding this way, and remember when you do that you're gonna make sure that the center meet up nice like this, and then you pin, make sure it's nice and even. Okay, pin this down. And from here you're gonna sew this all the way down. For this one too, we mark it right here. You do exact the same way. You see this right here, and then the line, make sure it match. Okay, I'm gonna go and sew. And do that to the other one. You're gonna go and cut. When you cut, you're gonna leave about 1/4 of an inch, just like so. And on this one, do the same thing, 1/4 of an inch, like that. Like this. And I'm gonna go to here, sew it in. And then you go. So I'm gonna go and use the clip. I'm gonna go the right side, face into the right side, and make sure the sew line right here meet together. And from here you can clip, you can pin, you can do whatever, like this all around. Down here you're gonna leave about 2 inches open. Going to go and trim this around. And the area that you left it open right here, don't trim. Everywhere else you can trim, but not that area. The area that I left it open, I'm gonna go and fold like this, or you can wait until you inside out. When you top stitch around, you can do this. Alright, so going inside out. People don't like me saying inside out. They say right side out. But anyway, that's the inside. I'm gonna bring it out. So what do you want me to say? Right side out, inside out, whatever. Okay, now go around and then you go on to press around the side that you sew all around. And if you need to, you can iron it around this. Make sure you fold it in and iron this too. How cute this is after I iron this. You can use both sides, this side and that side. But I'm gonna go and top stitch around. Cut the thread before you come in over, because if not, you're gonna sew on top of it and it's not gonna be easy to take it out. You wanna go to the side and you can sew this straight line down if you want to. If not, you can leave it like that. Go right into the center here. And then I sew this. And sew at the back here. It's so adorable. That's it, everyone. I finished and it looks so cute. Look at this. So pretty. You can use both sides, this side, or you can use the other side. So cute. In a few minutes, you can make many of this coaster for the cup. Isn't that so adorable? You can use this side or you can use the other side. This side too. So adorable. And then put the cup right here. So pretty on both sides. Check in if you still want to make something for, I don't know, for Christmas. Check in Michael craft store. They have this fabric. This not from Michael, but this one from Michael's craft store for $4.99 a yard. Reversible. You can use both sides. You see how I sew the center? You don't see the sew line. And this is so adorable. You can make many and give it out to your friends for the holiday, or it doesn't have to be Christmas. You can do any kind of holiday. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I just want to say thank you for all of you that support my channel membership. The channel membership that help me to purchase more material for the future video. Your donation, your like the video, share with others, and subscribe to my channels mean a lot to me. Love you, everyone. Happy holidays. Stay safe and take care.